Alright, and welcome to today's lesson on mechanical energy. I am Bill the robot. So, let's look at the definition of mechanical energy. So, mechanical energy is the energy of movement. It's also kinetic energy plus potential energy. So let's look at that. Let's look at the definition of those two. So potential energy is stored energy. Like if you're sitting in a chair and you're not doing anything, you're just storing energy. But when you get up to start moving around, you now are in motion, and that's kinetic energy. And so we're going to be looking at that further once we go through some activities that are talking about mechanical energy. So let's look at this example. So right now I have this robot, right? And right here on the back is a little key to wind up. So if I turn this key or turn this gear and hold on to the robot right now, with this robot sitting doing nothing has potential energy. Which means it has stored energy, or it has stored energy. Okay, so right now it has stored energy. So if I turn that little wheel on the back of it, right? If I turn that little wheel and let it go, then so if I turn the little wheel on this back of this robot, it's going to start moving back and forth. So when this robot starts moving, that is called kinetic energy. And that is energy in motion. And when you put kinetic energy with potential energy, you have mechanical energy. Now, let's look at some other examples of everyday items that use mechanical energy. So you have this wind-up robot pencil eraser, a swing, a merry-go-round, a weightlifter trying to lift weights, or somebody trying to pull back a bow and arrow. Somebody's trying to hammer in a nail, somebody kicking a soccer ball, or a car with a car engine in there. Because remember, your car uses mechanical energy to go from place to place. And so that is our lesson on mechanical energy. Stay tuned for the next lesson on light energy.